Hello everyone. Removing the hard drive for a Mac Mini 2014. That is model A1347. Also, this is for replacement for the hard drive and upgrading. If you want to upgrade for an SSD hard drive to speed up your computer, this is how you do it. Uh, Please follow me and thank you. We're gonna need the set of trucks tools and tweezer, some opening tools, screwdriver. First, to remove the back cover. This is the Trox T6H. T6H. You can see it. Okay, so this is the Wi-Fi antenna. I'm gonna start removing the CPU fan. Or the fan inside it. There's the cable also. The fan. Unplugging this cable. I'm going to insert any tools like small screwdrivers inside these two holes and to push down the motherboard so we can move it out. Okay, here we go. Just enough to release it. Then we're gonna need to unplug the power supply. Might use like an opening tool or something to unplug it. Can use also a tweezer, uh, you know. Here we go. It's already released. So now we can pull out the motherboard. You have to be careful. There's the Wi-Fi antenna still plugged in. So I'm gonna disconnect the Wi-Fi antenna cables. Here we go. So this is the antenna. Now we can pull out the motherboard. Here is the motherboard. Now we have to remove the power supply in order to get the hard drive out. There's a little lock underneath the power supply. Remove it. Try to remove it off the track, the lock for the power supply. There you go. So this one is released, so we can move out this power supply. Now this comes out easy. Now it's time to remove the hard drive. And here's the hard drive now. This is the hard drive. This is a regular SATA hard drive. Could be upgraded with a solid state hard drive. This is the Tox T8H. Here's the hard drive cable. It's a little glued to the back of the hard drive, so we have to carefully release it, and then we can unplug the hard drive. This is this is the hard drive. So this could be just upgraded with another 2.5 hard drive or SSD hard drive. Thank you for watching.